This is Ankit. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically meet up with my subscribers, spend a day with them, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone. Let's go.
Have you seen Romeo and Juliet?
That makes it even more job interviewing.
You like my rice yellow? Do that again. I didn't do the kids. This is how your parents met. All right. Have a great day. So I'm 27 years old. My name's Ankit, like he said, and I'm an educated degenerate. That's what I do for my occupation.
What does that mean?
I do crypto stocks, but whenever that goes bad, I do my sales job.
Okay. Why are you here today?
Well, a couple reasons. One, I need to start talking to more girls. I do believe that I'm okay with talking with them. And the second is, I do want to inspire the people watching. If I could do it, you could do it. Look, I'm balding, I'm Indian, I'm brown. There's no excuses, guys. If you really want to change something in your life, it's all in your belief system, so it's up to you. Don't let me outplay you. I'm guilty of being the tomorrow guy, so tomorrow I'm gonna do it. Then tomorrow comes and I say, oh, you know what? It's 5 o'clock, it's late. Even though it's not late, I'm gonna do it the next day.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
I'm ready, let's do this thing. I'm so positive I'm HIV positive. Just kidding. Excuse me? Hey, sorry, this is really random, but I was actually just with my friend right now. I saw you and I thought you were pretty. I just wanted to come say hi.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. My name's Ankit.
Nice to meet you.
Why
Sorry.
are you doing the left hand? That's a dirty hand.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. That's much better.
Nice to meet you.
I know this is kind of unconventional because I'm sure many strangers don't approach each other in public.
Yeah.
But I'm a human version of a Labrador.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Tell me something interesting about you.
I just moved here 3 months ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
Colorado.
Colorado?
Yeah.
So you went from one weed state to another?
Yep. Pretty much.
Oh, okay. How do you like your experience in LA so far? Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, I actually have to go. I'm picking up my friend from the airport.
Okay, hold on. Give me 10 seconds more. You can count too. But here, let me give you a proposition. How about, okay, obviously we don't know each other. You know, I think you're attractive. I hope you feel the same about me, but we should exchange contact information and I'll text you. We can go from there.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
There you go.
Okay, I'm going to text you.
Okay.
And hopefully you remember me, but
Okay.
this kind of felt like a job interview. So before I go,
Yeah.
what's one thing you want to know about me?
That makes it even more job interviewing.
Well, you gotta ask me something. The only thing you know is that I'm Indian.
How long have you lived here?
Well, actually my whole life. However,
Okay.
I will tell you one interesting thing. I have traveled to about 15 different countries.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and
Awesome.
yeah.
You landed here.
Yeah, you know, it's just home sweet home.
Yeah.
It's like, it's hard to leave.
Nice.
Got my dogs and family here.
It's nice
But
to
yeah, I'll
meet
catch you later.
Jen, kid. Well, good start of the day.
Absolutely, you know, just gotta go for it, guys. Beginning a little nervous, and then, you know, I just started breathing a little bit slower and letting her talk.
Okay.
And yeah.
At the beginning, you kind of told her like, oh, like, I know this is random. You making it more weird than it actually is, you know? So
That is true. I would say, you know, it's a nerve kicking in on the first one. Excuse me. Excuse me? I know this is a little random, but you're pretty. I just wanted to come say hi to you. I was walking that way with a friend. And I just like wanted to say what's up and shoot my shot. What's your name? Oh wait, can you stop like for 2 seconds? You can count it too if you want, but my name's Ankit. But why do you look so puzzled? I'm sure this happens to you all the time.
No, I don't know.
Really? But you're attractive. I would think that guys hit on you for that reason. So, what are you up to?
Getting ready for a trip.
Getting ready for a trip? I'm a nosy guy. I got a big nose, so where's the trip at?
Hey, it's really nice meeting you. I gotta go.
Okay, I appreciate it. I did feel calm. However, I could sense her vibe was like, yo, get away from me. So.
Okay. Depending on how you talk to someone, they're gonna have a different vibe. If you come to someone and you insult them, they're gonna give you a very different reaction than if you come and you give them like free food. You know what I mean? Like people are different. And so whenever you have interactions where people are not like, where they don't feel like comfortable and they're not warm, you should always ask yourself, what did I do that inspired them that reaction, right?
Absolutely.
Because it's not that it's not that she reacts like this to everyone who would possibly talk to her, right?
That is true.
So
Hello, how you doing? You are pretty. I just wanted to come say hi to you.
Hi, thank you so
Yeah.
much. You're so kind. Thank you.
Yes, what is your name? Nice to meet you. My name is Ankit.
Nice to meet you.
Are you Russian?
No, I'm from Belgium.
Oh, you're from Belgium? I love Belgium. You live here now, you said.
No, I don't live here. I'm
Oh.
visiting. I'm visiting, yes.
Well, how long are you in town for?
So I've been now here for 2 weeks and I have 8 days left, I think.
Okay, so
Yeah.
8 days left. All right, let's make those 8 days a little bit better. You know,
Yeah,
that's
sure.
the American way. We make things better.
Exactly. Every day is the best, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
You can add me on Instagram, and then you can we could meet up or whatever.
Okay. Or do you use WhatsApp?
WhatsApp is fine as well.
Yeah.
And then you can just text me a message, and then I will have your number
Yeah,
too.
I'll send you a picture of myself so you remember how I look too.
Okay, perfect.
And then,
well, it was very nice to meet you. And
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
love the openness of people. Like, you just came up to me. In Belgium, people don't do that.
you know, I don't know about you, but I don't use dating apps.
Yeah, no, I'm not at all. I just let life come to me, and I'll see. I like better those kind of things than Tinder or like
Yeah.
Bumble or whatever.
know.
What's up? And no, I
Bunch
just
of weird
live
people
life.
on there, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I know.
Exactly.
I'm a guy and I'm saying that. Oh, there's a bee on you.
Oh my gosh, that's horrible.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
It's gone.
Hey,
Okay,
good start. We
perfect.
already saved your life.
Yeah, thank you so much. Well, it was very
Yeah,
nice to meet you. I'm gonna.
Yeah, have fun with
Yeah.
your friends. Oh,
Thank
my
you so
bad.
much.
Wait, do that again. I didn't do the kiss.
Yeah, it's a European
forget.
way.
I
Well,
forget.
thank you so much for bumping into
Absolutely,
me.
yeah.
See you soon. Thank
Yes, you have a great day. I'll text you. But it was good because she's obviously, you could see, a lot more open because I felt more comfortable talking to her. It was more casual, and another thing I took away from what Ruben told me about the last interaction, just be more fluid. So, excuse me, you two are attractive. I wanted to say hello.
Hello, thank
Yeah.
you. How are you?
Doing very well. How about both of you?
Good, thank you.
What are you up to on this fine day?
Enjoying some girl time.
I understand, but what's your name?
I'm nice
Ankit.
to meet you.
What's your name? Can I pause you for like 30 seconds before I head back that way?
Sure.
So, yeah, I just wanted to say hi. I know it's kind of unconventional meeting women these days, especially with the dating apps and stuff, but yeah.
It is, you're right.
So, what do you do for fun?
I walk with my friends, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. This is like the highlight of my week.
That's so fun?
Yeah.
What? I get it, because there's a nice view and stuff.
Exactly.
And don't worry, there's orange juice. There's no lean in the cup.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, I like coming to the beach too. I like the
Yeah, it's nice.
long
You're
romantic
lucky.
walks. Absolutely. I know. That's why I tell my friend, because he's from France. So, where are you from? Both of you, your ethnic background.
We're Persian.
You're Persian? I knew it. Damn it. That's so cool.
Yeah.
I have a lot of Persian friends.
Do you?
I do. I do.
So you're familiar.
Yeah, absolutely. I like my rice yellow. Yeah, I'm Indian, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you couldn't tell already,
nice.
yeah, by the name and everything. But hey, I know you two probably talking about cool stuff with each other. How about we exchange contact information? I know we barely know each other, but
I actually have a boyfriend.
you do?
So sorry.
Wouldn't be right. But
Oh
nice
man,
meeting
does she
you.
actually have one?
Yes, she does. Our boyfriends are friends.
They're friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're
That's how
best
we
friends.
met them.
What? Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Convenience.
Are they Persian?
They are.
yeah.
Hey, okay, I'm not even mad then.
We stick in the squad.
Alrighty, well,
It was nice
it was a
meeting
pleasure meeting
you.
you too.
Okay,
Have a great day.
bye.
It was cool. I mean, there's a little tension, I guess, because they were like talking with each other in a deep conversation or something. They were nice, and it took a little while for them to start opening up.
Yeah, you did say like I think twice like, oh, I know this is random, and then you said, oh, I know
God
this is
damn it.
random, but we should exchange contact information. I feel like the vibe is it's okay, you know, like they were nice and whatever, but I feel like there's a bit of distance
yeah,
there.
yeah, I know what
There's
you
a bit
mean.
of distance.
Excuse me. You're really beautiful. I wanted to come say that to you too.
Thank you.
But yeah,
So
It's also her birthday.
really? Happy birthday! Wait, hold on a second. What's your name?
she is taken
Anki.
though,
What?
but beautiful nonetheless.
You guys are taking on her. She's
We all are.
Oh, okay. All right. Have a great day. Okay. Excuse me. I ditched my friend right now just to tell you three that I think you're cute, and I just wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What are y'all up to?
We're actually just going back to our house to hang out for a little bit.
Damn, you got a crib over here?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. Well, wait, hold on. What's your name? Z. Okay, so you're the spokesperson. Wait.
Speak for all three of us. Just kidding.
Okay, spokesperson. Which one of these lovely ladies is single?
These two, not me.
Not really. All right, good. Hey, that means you are. But you could ask away. I'm an open book. I have nothing to hide.
Where is your friend? You just walked away from him?
Yeah, I was walking with him. He's a French guy that I was with, but I know you probably didn't notice the Indian and the French guy. We were just like right there. Yeah.
Well, she's about to go pick up her friend from the airport.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So yeah, we're
Where's your homie coming from?
Ohio.
Ohio?
Yeah.
You know, I noticed, like, as soon as I talked to you three, there was this humble vibe that didn't feel like LA-ish.
yeah, we're definitely not from here.
I know. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Because the LA women are a little bit different.
A little bit different for sure.
I know. Well, look, I don't want to make my friend walk like 3 miles to meet me over there. Okay, wait. Can you repeat your name?
Yeah.
Let me give you a proposition, and I think you two like me too. You think I think you
I
think
love
I'm.
the confidence.
Hey, you know, that's what's important, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, screw the dating apps. But anyways, how about we exchange contact information? We
Okay.
can text, and if we like each other, we
Sure.
can set up a date. And
I'll give you.
I'll take you to
I'll take
Malibu.
your number.
whoa, lady, the gentleman gets the number. Come on now, this is how your parents met.
That's not how they met.
Uh-oh.
I can tell you that's now.
Why is it? Tell me now. I'm nosy.
Okay, for
That's a-
one night.
No,
No,
That's second date.
Oh.
You gotta get that far.
Here, put it in.
there you go.
Wait, before I take your number, do you remember my name?
No.
None of the
Did you
above.
introduce yourself?
I did.
I don't remember even hearing
I know. I know. There's a lot of noise in LA, so it's
It
like.
takes 3 times for me to know a name.
Oh,
That's
it's
true.
gonna take you 20 with mine. My name's Ankit.
On
You
Yeah.
100% didn't say Yeah, I wouldn't remember that. Ankit?
Hey, I was just testing all 3 of you out.
I was like, I remember
I'm glad you all are paying attention.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, you as well.
nice
Hey.
meeting you.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Take care. 3 snow bunnies. I like them. They were very cool.
All laughing,
yeah.
like baller move over here.
Thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate
that's
it.
baller. Like, come, boom, 3 blondes, like, like,
No, you just gotta be present, and when you're present in that moment, you'll realize like what's going on instead of panicking.
yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
That was a really good one.
Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Nice.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the help too. That dog is so cute. It's like just hanging there.
Yes,
I know. Have you seen Romeo and Juliet?
I have, yeah.
Okay, wait. Before I ask you anything else, the most polite way. How young are you?
I'm 21.
Really? You look so younger. Like I'd say 18.
Oh, thank you.
But yeah, I'm here because I think you're pretty. Yeah. What are you up to?
It's actually my boyfriend's house.
Oh, really?
Sorry.
Oh, shucks. All right. Well, I just wanted to shoot my shot, but all right. Have a nice day.
Okay, and Kit. So, how was today?
Today was great. I know. I'm glad I reached out to Ruben, and I appreciate you helping me first of all, because you know I like improving. I like the self-improvement aspect, and it felt really good.
Okay.
All of you guys could do this. I realized like when I seen enough ugly dudes with beautiful women, I was like, why can't that be me? Like, that.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Just take action. That's the most important thing. You could read and watch videos all day, but until you go out there and you talk to people, you'll start learning way faster. But if I could do it, you could do it.
Much better.
Oh, dude, we should have done this from the beginning.
It's fine. Well, I wanted to like show them the sunset, but whatever.
The sun already set.
Any last words?
To the viewers, take my words and listen to what I'm saying because it's what I did and it worked for me. And you can just do exactly what I did. But for Ruben, thank you very much and appreciate you creating this channel in the first place. It adds tremendous value to the world because, especially with this whole COVID thing going on, communication aspect of the world is slightly like going down.
Yeah. Well,
And-
thank you, man.
Absolutely, yeah.
I really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
no, I
Thanks for
appreciate
taking
it.
part
Yeah.
in this.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I look like pretty good. Hey, yeah.